Are you a fan of the fascinating Peppa Pig cartoon movie? Today, join Coco in the fun challenge. It's Guess the Peppa Pig character by the emoji. Coco would like to express her gratitude to all of the viewers who have left comments on our videos. These fortunate viewers happily shared their favorite drinks, and we feature them in today's video. Come on, let's play and enjoy the game. Remember to subscribe to our channel so you can see all of our future videos. What Peppa Pig character is shown with these emojis? It's the main character, Peppa Pig.
We should give our ice lollies to Miss Rabbit to help her cool down.
Let's find the odd one. Which emoji is the odd one out? Correct! The odd emoji is right here. Who is the character behind these symbols? This character is George Pig.
Dinosaur. Ooh, dinosaur.
George's birth.
Can you spot the odd one out? The odd emoji is placed in the third row. Who is the Peppa Pig character with these symbols? It's Mummy Pig.
To put some of these somewhere else.
Who wears glasses in Peppa Pig? The correct answer is Daddy Pig. Can you identify the character depicted by these emojis? It's Daddy Pig.
Electricity is what makes everything in our house work.
Can you spot the distinct emoji here? Well done! You found the odd one out. Which Peppa Pig character do these emojis represent? It's Grandpa Pig.
Oh, hello, Peppa. Hello, George.
Which emoji is not like the others? This is the odd one out. Can you remember the position of all the emojis? Where is the Peppa Pig? The Peppa Pig is located in the number 6 position. Can you guess the Peppa Pig character with these emojis? That's Granny Pig.
When Mummy was a little piggy, she was cheeky, just like you.
Was she?
Which one sticks out? The odd emoji is located here. Which character is hinted at by these emojis? Yup, it's Auntie Pig.
Brothers, alike in every way.
Can you identify the emoji that doesn't belong? Well done! The odd emoji is in the second column. What instrument does Peppa Pig play? It's the flute. Can you figure out which character these emojis represent? It's Uncle Pig.
We are completely different.
Can you locate the different emojis in this group? The odd emoji is placed in the second row. Who is the character suggested by these emojis? It's Cousin Alexander. Can you find the different emoji? The odd cake is right here. Which emoji stands out by not repeating? Correct! That emoji only appears once. Which Peppa Pig character do you think it is? It's Cousin Chloe.
Hello, Peppa. Hello, George.
See you later.
Can you see which emoji is not like the others? That's right. Can you work out the Peppa Pig character shown in emoji form? It's Susie Sheep.
I don't want to play with you anymore.
Oh dear, Peppa.
Can you find the odd emoji out of these? The odd emoji is in the fourth row. does Peppa's family love to jump in? Hey, it's Muddy Puddles. Which Peppa Pig character do these emojis belong to? It's Rebecca Rabbit.
Oh, but we want to play some more, Mummy.
Maybe tomorrow.
Can Peppa and...
Who could be the character behind these emojis? It's Richard Rabbit.
Why is Richard crying? He's a bit scared of going...
Can you guess which Peppa Pig character this is? It's Danny Dog.
Aha! I've already got a pirate bed.
Which emoji doesn't fit with the rest? The odd emoji is placed in the first row. Can you remember the position of all the emojis? Where is Susie Sheep? Susie Sheep is in number 5. Which Peppa Pig character is described by these emojis? It's Pedro Pony.
Wake up! You'll be late for the school trip.
Okay.
Can you spot the difference among these? You did find it! Can you recognize the character? It's Candy Cat.
Yay! Let's go!
But Candy...
Can you find the emoji that stands out? Well spotted! What does Daddy Pig love to do in his spare time? Read books. Which Peppa Pig character do these emojis hint at? It's Emily Elephant.
Hello.
Emily is a bit shy.
Who would like to show Emily?
Can you solve who the Peppa Pig character is? It's Mr. Elephant.
Lovely. Now it's time for Pass the Parcel.
What Peppa Pig character do these emojis point to? Zoe Zebra.
Danny Dog, Susie Sheep, Rebecca.
Can you tell which emoji is different from the others? The odd emoji is in the top right. Look closely. Which emoji is the odd one out? Well done! You found the odd one out. What Peppa Pig character is shown with these emojis? Freddy Fox.
Play.
Hello, Freddy. Hello, Peppa. What are you doing?
Can you locate the different emojis in this group? Excellent! There it is! Who's the Peppa Pig character with these symbols? Madame Gazelle.
Gazelle?
Hello, everyone. Come in, come in.
Can you find the different emoji? The odd emoji is right here. Who works on a space rocket in Peppa Pig? It's Daddy Rabbit. Can you guess the character with these emojis? It's Dr. Brown Bear.
Hello, where's my patient?
Which emoji looks different from the rest? The odd emoji is in the first row. Which Peppa Pig character is hinted at by these emojis? Mr. Bull.
Moo! I'll finish cutting the grass.
Excellent.
Which character do you think these emojis describe? Mrs. Cow.
I've got a very smelly cheese here.
Which emoji appears just one time? That's right, that emoji does not have a match. Can you work out the character shown in emoji form? Mr. Zebra.
My goodness, so many letters today.
And this letter.
Can you pick out the different emoji? The odd emoji is in the middle row. Which Peppa Pig character do these emojis belong to? Miss Rabbit.
Emily are hiding behind a bush.
Can you recognize the Peppa Pig character? It's Grampy Rabbit.
Of course it's safe. I built it myself.
What is George's favorite toy? Mr. Dinosaur. Which Peppa Pig character do these emojis hint at? Mr. Potato.
Now here are some lovely drawings I've been sent. This is...
Can you spot the odd one? Correct! The odd emoji is right here. What Peppa Pig character is shown by these emojis? It's Tiddles the tortoise.
Look, it's Tiddles the tortoise.
Can you detect the odd emoji in this sequence? You got it! Nice! Thank you for participating in the puzzle challenge on the Monkey Quiz channel with our little monkey, Coco. You can click on the video currently displayed on the right or the left side of the screen. Join additional new challenges and become the winner! Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our channel for more quizzes and fun!